Damaging factors of transistor. There are so many factors which damage the transistor. The physical factors. In physical factors, the first is the overload and over voltage and over current. It is the most common factor to damage the transistor. When the current or voltage borne by the transistor exceeds the rated value, in that case the junctions break down and transistor damages. Temperature. During the operation of the transistor, the heat generated may damage the transistor if the heat dissipation is very poor. In that case, the transistor becomes warm and it loses its internal mobility of the charges. Moreover, if the temperature is extremely low, even then the transistor can be damaged because it gives the adverse effect on the transistor, affecting the mobility of the charge carriers. Chemical factors. The first is corrosion, the moisture, acid, alkali gases, salt spray, they may corrode the transistor. Pollution. The pollutants like the dust, oil may hinder the dissipation of the heat, so the transistor may get damaged. In the mechanical factors, the packaging. The poor packaging causes the cracking, deformation, so causes the transistor to damage. Mechanical stress. It is during the installation and transportation of the transistor. Electrical factors. Now, electrostatic discharge. When the pupil bearing the clothes or the equipments carrying the static charge, they come in contact with the transistor, they release a high current that causes to damage the transistor. The electromagnetic interference. The strong electromagnetic field around the transistor may interfere in the normal working of the transistor. So these are the factors that affect the working of the transistor and they may damage the transistor. So thank you very much.